And here we go.
So do I take my foot off the hand?
No. Yeah,
My
take
foot.
your foot off the hand. Take your foot off the brake.
Yeah, okay. So where's the last one we're going to?
That would be George's Hill or Greenacre, one of the two.
Yeah. Okay.
They always seem to use a lot of foam on these. Look at that. I mean, this one's got the rocker panel brush spinning the right way. Okay, so this one's just got water on the wraparounds instead of So there's wraparound.